Okay, so Mama Cat has me going over the river and through the woods, through this construction site again to feed her babies. Look at her. Where are your children? Come on now. What? Mama Cat. Mama Cat. Oh my God, look at this. Mama Cat. I can't do all that. That's dangerous for humans. And go get your babies. I can't even see how this works. What the fudge? Mama Cat, I'm mad at you for bringing your babies back over here. You're gonna get me in trouble. What the? Oh my gosh. Seriously. Where'd she go? I can't even see her gray behind. I could hear her calling me. There she is. Oh. Mama Cat is really trying to get me to follow her to her children through a whole construction site. And oh man, I can't go that way because I can't even see. Come on, Mama Cat. Mama Cat. Come on, Mama Cat. Okay. Come on, Mama Cat. Look at this. You see the little eyes? It's 3 of them. One just disappeared somewhere. Come on. Come on, kitty.